And why? See now, real good.
It's alright.
That's just it. And parameter, you say, come on, young man, I got TV in my house, but I don't know you. I will simply say, probably you got TV, yes, but you are watching those local channels. I'm sorry, they don't show me on that channel. So, if you want to watch Maui, we talk about GSP 153, do good. My name is Kelvin Craig, or Rototo, one of Delta State. Yeah, we're one of the Cap Kingdom. They call me the too much money of Nigerian comedy. I'm a comedian. I make people laugh for the living. I swear, I'm funny. Yes, I'm funny. Hey, bros, me, I swear, I'm funny. I swear, I'm funny. From your face, I swear I will make you laugh. Now, I crack joke that make normal person to laugh. If I crack joke, you don't laugh. Not be say I'm not funny. Your problem big part of my joke. So you need to see TV Joshua in the country for further hearing. Please. So I crack normal joke for normal people. So therefore, after some few minutes, we're doing some bit of joke, then we'll go to the dancing, exchange of numbers and the rest, and then the shouting can continue. So right about now, I welcome everybody officially to this wonderful get together. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see this reunion, 30 years. I was going through a book, and I read about the story of the man who was so rich and famous. He had everything that he wanted in life. But it was so shocking that the man who had so much money, so much influence, took a rope and hanged himself. I was like, why? But before the man hanged himself, he dropped a note saying, I am lonely. I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, nothing kills a man like loneliness. That's why I'm so happy that this committee has brought this together for us to see each other, for us to communicate with each other. For us, a round of applause for Jesus, for keeping us alive, for us to see today. Please, a round of applause for Jesus. I think those days in school, there's still some strength that you can use to shout. Please, if you're happy to be here, make some noise. If you're happy to be here, make some. I've got to understand something. This Lagos, now only this Lagos, you go see somebody get 14 suits, 7 briefcases, peace. 7 suits, 8 briefcases, get office. This same Lagos, now you go see somebody, go they advise another person when get the same problem with her. You get the same problem, oh, the same problem I told you. You are my guy. No, you are my guy. I must recognize your presence. I beg, you tell me say one last time. No. I'm with you too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give this mic to the president for a welcome address. After then, we'll go straight to dancing, eating. A lot of food is available. Please, I want to add, eat what you are used to, please. So listen to this advice. So please, eat what you are used to. I don't go party before because they say na buffet. Serve yourself. One man stand up, he carry pounded yam, put salad, put ogbono inside. Because people they like, people will not take buffet the way they waka, they take the food. So the guy, because of the way I see the food arranged, if he say that everything is supposed to, so the guy they waka, ogbono, vegetable, pounded yam, rice, beans, put salad, yam, put this one. The guy, only the guy carry the food, he dey look the food say, wetin I wan go chop? But because he no wan fall the hand, the guy go sit down, he chop the food finish. Today, he is allowed to tell the testimony that the stomach was never the same again. This character still in your body. 30 years ago, na like this, still in your body. That's why I say that. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, the president, they call him Mr. Jacob Opere, please. A round of applause. For a welcome address. Please, a round.
Please, can we exchange silence and one house for this speech, please? The president wants to speak with us. Coco is a nobody, but Jacob is the president. Please, one house, please.
We, that's my executive and humble self, are highly delighted of us here tonight, in spite of some of us having to cover long distances. I'm aware of Sikwade that came in with light. I'm aware of Trabona that came in from occasion. So many of us came long distances just to make, yes, came all the way from London. So we are very happy to have you all to honor this particular occasion, coming together as brothers and sisters 30 years after leaving, graduating from command, where we are bonded together as brothers and sisters, late colleagues, and one of our late mentors. Before I continue, I must at this junction pause to remember the following people: Kunle Oduwole, Kola Sholagbade, Ayo Abegude, Lucky Azaya, and Busola Odosi. 4 of our brothers and a sister that we know will have loved to be here with us today, but for the cruel hand of the bad reaper death, who snatched them away in their prime. We must all the honor of these noble brothers and sisters and our mentor. May their gentle souls rest in perfect peace. You can have your seat, please. somewhere in our midst that we all know except not go through command. Our indefatigable Uncle Emmanuel. May they all bless. Please, can you clap your hands with that clapping? We are all welcome. Coming together as one. Through our quarterly meeting started more than 2 years ago. We must therefore commend every one of us who has one way or another contributed to making it possible, or has been attending meetings and making other financial contributions to ensuring that needed and necessary obligations are met. And in this junction, I will employ each and every one of us present here today. If you are in Lagos, please try to be making it to our quarterly meetings. The day for the next meeting will be communicated to you through our forum. Tea project, tea committee, and laborers. It also made possible our reaching out to our alma mater, where we are currently undertaking renovation refurbishment in the classroom toilets. In which the sum of 3,004,600 has been expended so far. I will note that later we have full report from the project committee. Our deep and profound appreciations go to all that have contributed to this noble venture, and also Lekki, our project manager, and to all the members of the project committee. Toilet project execution. These are brothers and sisters render their account numbers. While in Nigeria, Taiwo in London, collecting funds to ensure that the tea project was successfully executed. And not only that, they have been giving us detailed accounts of every couple received by them and spent by them. That is what is called accountability. A round of applause for them, please. Welfare committee. Worthy of mention also is the setting up of a welfare committee headed by our able Granny Shiwe Ni Unuebu. No sooner than it was set up that they sprang into action, I have been able to reach out to some of our needy brethren. We commend all those who contributed towards assisting our needy brethren. Our commendation also goes to our indefatigable Vice President, Victoria Folayon, who is the brain behind the welfare committee and is setting up. We also appreciate all the committee members and all others who contributed to this so far. Our profound appreciation goes to the Union Committee headed by Big Okutian. They made today possible. The committee members have, at their expense, been making calls, meeting together and embarking on fund drive, etc. just to make today possible. And today has come to be. We say a big thank you to them and may God richly reward their efforts. To those who have contributed in cash toward this event, we appreciate you and may your sources of income ever run dry. To any group or persons that deserve mentioning, who I have not mentioned, please, I crave your understanding and forgiveness as it is never deliberate. Registration. Steps were taken almost 2 years ago to get this group registered, but at various stages, we have been having various hiccups. When we were expecting the certificate of incorporation, we got a query instead to the effect that the nominal surname was wrongly spelled in the publication, and Taiwo's surname was spelled with a single N instead of double N. These were corrected by deposit on an affidavit. But surprisingly, we are told again that the availability of name print out done by CAC has student in the singular without an S, so another has to be printed out, where today will be pluralized. And this cannot be done until the current one, which will expire on 15 January 2016, expires. One of our brother, Khalifa Green, was in my office a few minutes at my instance and can attest to all said here. For any other mistake, I, as the president, all the executive must have made, either through actions or inactions. I, on behalf of and for my executive, any offense from me or any member of this group, I equally apologize to enable us move forward. To quote the civil rights activist, Reverend Jesse Jackson, leaders must be tough enough to fight, tender enough to cry, keep them, strong enough to absorb pain, and resilient enough to bounce back and keep on moving. And those three that invite the spirit of comradeship in everyone that passes through it. We must collectively operate in the commando spirit. We know that it is not enough for just some of us to prosper. For alongside our famous individualism, there is another ingredient in the commando saga. We believe that we are all connected as one people. This is summed up in the fundamental belief. I am my brother's keeper, I am my sister's keeper, and that is what will guarantee our success as a group. In this way, we can revive the belief among ourselves. Those already successful in their chosen fields, we share in their successes. And those still struggling to actualize themselves, we share in their struggles and help, where necessary and possible, to provide them a road to opportunity. CSS 5 Forum. We must commend Wale Oyedele and others who created the CSS 5 Forum. And we must receive the petition of mentioning further names for those who have left for any compromise. And as long as we are willing to listen to each other, we can assume the best in people instead of the worst in them. In conclusion, we call on every one of us to join hands with us, for together we can make the right choices and meet the challenges that face us individually and as a group. We must shun unheaded discrimination on whatever ground, knowing that beneath all the differences of race and religion, faith and station, we are one people and we shall remain one people. Thank you all and do have a wonderful celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, some people came late and we don't want to miss their shot on the camera. So please, pardon me, I want to call these people, but I won't red carpet here. We ask them the question, same question we asked outside, and we ask them here in the answer, and probably they want to take some pictures of the red carpet, no problem, you can go. Please, if you hear your name, kindly stand up and walk majestically here. Now they with me? Now they with me? If you're with me, say Alright. If you hear your name, join me right now. Dupe Ajayi, please, can I have you? Please a round of applause for her. Okay. Then she pick it up for me. Alright. I want you to grab everybody. Yes, just wait.
So.
Okay, for those who are not with us, hi. Hello. Greet me.
Benga Ismail. Blue house, shoe house. And he became flying house. It's okay. Nobody knows. Kola, is this cat big? Hi.
The advice waiting they don't know. One man just did for Kenya. The man is out. From what? Everybody, I know the police Lagos. If you don't they shout, people must gather. And you know they shout, from what? Because you know people don't gather. If you say when people gather like that, they will call the interview. A phone? 600 and what? I know say like this Lagos. People go get something, they go invest for you when you prepare this and you bought a phone of 600 and what? God will punish you. It's like I bought it for my wife. I want to surprise her. God will punish you. My 7 years house rent. When the man is up, 91 man.